Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I'm going to be reviewing BeautyCam AI photo editor. That is one of the most popular beauty filter application with over 164,000 ratings on the App Store. But is it really the best AI photo editor out there? Let's just try to find out in this honest review. So BeautyCam promises professional level beauty tools, AI powered enhancements and fun features like AI wardrobe and digital makeup. All of these things sounds great, right? But how well does it actually perform? So let's just break that down. So I tried this application in my device, and here is what I like about it. So the AI wardrobe feature lets you change outfits instantly. That is super fun and creative. The HD quality restoration tool does a great job that helps you sharpening the blurry images. The DSLR and the retro filters add a style touch to your photos. But there are some of the things that I didn't like about this application. Like, there are too many in-app purchases. Even with a VIP subscription, there are some features that still require extra payments. The AI tools can be hit or miss. The AI wardrobe or slimming feature don't always work as expected, and there are very limited free options. Many key features are locked behind a paywall, making it hard to use without actually paying for it or without actually spending money on it. So in a final verdict, I would like to say that if you love AI powered beauty filter, virtual makeup and fun effects, it is definitely worth trying. But if you are looking for completely free editing tools, you might be better off with other application that offers more features without any additional charges. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next